Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We are given sets, and we are asked to express each of these sets using regular expression. In part A, we are given the set of strings of one or more zeros followed by a 1. So such a string is a string starting with a 0, followed by 0 or more zeros, and then followed by a 1. Now, all strings with 0 or more zeros can be represented as 0 star in regular notation. And so the set of strings starting with a 0 followed by 0 or more zeros and ending with a 1 is going to be 0, 0 star 1. In part B, we are given the set of strings of 2 or more symbols followed by 3 or more zeros. So the set of strings of 2 or more symbols, these are strings with 2 bits, or at least 2 bits, followed by 0 or more bits. So we have the first bit could be 0 or a 1, and regular expression for that is 0 union 1. Second bit could be 0 or 1, so 0 union 1. And then from then on, we could have as many as 0 or any more bits after this. So we have 0 union 1 star. It's a set of strings of 2 or more symbols. Now the set of strings of 3 or more zeros, these are the strings starting with 0, 0, 0, followed by 0 or more zeros. And we know that all strings with 0 or more zeros can be represented as 0 star, and therefore it follows that the set of strings of 3 or more symbols, meaning 3 or more zeros, is 0, 0, 0, 0 star, and combining this together, we get the set of strings with 2 or more symbols followed by 3 or more zeros is the concatenation of these two expressions, which is 0 union 1, 0 union 1, 0 union 1 star, 0, 0, 0, 0 star. In part C, we're given the set of strings with either no 1 preceding a 0 or no 0 preceding a 1. So we have the set of strings with no 1 preceding a 0. These are strings with 0 or more zeros followed by 0 or more 1s. And of course, all strings with 0 or more zeros can be represented as 0 star. And all strings with 0 or more ones can be represented as 1 star. And therefore, all strings with 0 or more zeros followed by 0 or more ones is 0 star 1 star. Now the set of strings with no zero preceding a 1, these are the set of strings with 0 or more ones followed by 0 or more zeros. And again, as before, now we have the set of strings with no zero preceding a 1 can be written as 1 star union or 0 star. And so combining these, we see that all strings with no 1 preceding a 0 or no 0 preceding a 1 is the union of these two expressions. So 0 star 1 star union with 1 star 0 star. In part D, we are given the set of strings containing a string of ones. Such that the number of ones equals 2 modulo 3, followed by an even number of zeros. This is a little more challenging. Let's just break it down. So we have the set of strings containing a string of ones such that the number of ones is equal to 2 mod 3, implies we have at least 2 ones, followed by a string with 0 or more ones such that the number of ones is equal to 0 mod 3, which is going to be a string which is 0 or more triples of ones. And so all strings with 0 or more triples of ones is 111 star. And so the set of strings containing a string of ones such that the number of ones is congruent to 2 mod 3 is 11111 star. Now all strings containing an even number of zeros consists of 0 or more blocks 0 0. And so all strings with 0 or more blocks 0 0 is 0 0 star. And finally, it follows that all strings consisting a string of ones such that the number of ones is congruent to 2 mod 3 followed by an even number of zeros is the concatenation of the two previous expressions. And so we get 11111 star 0 0 star.